We've got coverage from the cloud space, the chip space, and some spooky security stories. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, some of you in the audience are probably familiar with the object storage platform MinIO, and it's now available on Google Cloud Platform. You can roll your own MinIO instance in the old-fashioned way up to now, but GCP Marketplace now makes it a whole lot more attractive for businesses to be able to use MinIO. Given the focus that Kubernetes has in the Google Cloud Platform, you can expect that MinIO is probably going to be providing some great performance for any applications that you want to deploy on those. Now, Steven, since you're the storage expert and the cloud expert around here, you've heard of MinIO before because they've been involved with our Field Day series. Why would someone want to use them in GCP?
Yeah, I think that's really the core question here. And when you ask that, let me just point out that there are actually 150,000 deployments of MinIO in GCP already. You've been able to run MinIO basically anywhere forever. In fact, that's actually one of the most attractive aspects of this piece of software. I've got it running in my table in the other room, my cloud in a table. And frankly, it's great. It works great, provides S3 compatible storage that is basically compatible enough and high featured enough that you can run basically anything on it. And that's the answer to the question of why somebody would want to run MinIO in GCP. GCP has their own object store, but it's not S3 compatible like MinIO is. And frankly, S3 protocol is where it's at. When it comes to storage applications, especially in Kubernetes, we're seeing so many things just assuming that you can have access to S3 storage from popular applications with plugins like WordPress to basically anything that anybody's going to roll their own. It just makes sense to use S3 protocol, and that's what MinIO is bringing. Of course, MinIO also brings a lot more. They have a really nice tiering aspect to the product, which allows you to have high performance for active data and lower performance for less active data, which is pretty cool in the cloud. And frankly, the big thing here is application portability. Essentially, if you're running something on Kubernetes and you need to program to a object storage protocol, having MinIO be there in GCP allows you to basically run the same thing in AWS, EKS, and GCP. It all just works. So, frankly, this is a great move. It's great to see MinIO there. Real good company, real good product. And I'm glad to see that the S3 protocol is taking over everywhere, including GCP.